What up? What up? What up? What up? What up? Dude, this has been a complete chop fest. Yo, what up, Sean? Boom, 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 boom. I mean, I'm just gonna keep it real. We've gone nowhere. I was able to actually make money though, which is crazy. Yeah, I mean, made some money. Took my pro account up a little bit. Took a little bit of loss, took a little bit of gains. I don't know. It's just kind of been a chop fest. What up, Anderson? Marie! What up, Z-Back? I did something else. I'm trying to think what I did. I'm trying to think what I did. I forget. But yeah, basically chopping around. What did I do? Dude, I made some good trades. Maybe that was the good trades I was talking about. I hit this and I hit the other thing. Maybe that was it. Damn. Boom, 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 boom. I mean, that's pretty. Hey, can you please let me know what indicator will allow me to see volume profile on Tradeify? Have you tried volume profile? Have you searched? Yeah, did you try searching it? Zaybak says he uses BBC Power. So just search BBC powder and you'll get it. Bro, Zaybak, that's not in here. Oh, they have it right here. Volume profile. They have a bunch of different volume profiles. Yeah, there's a bunch of volume profiles. Boom, 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 boom. I have to make one trade in this account. I'm gonna make one trade in this account today. Yeah, there's a bunch though. I mean, well, just got to look in the community indicators area. They got all types of stuff. So this is like the worst price action ever. What's crazy is if I had to guess, if I was a betting man, we broke this wedge. I'd probably say we were going to go down. I would probably say there's more likely than we go down than up. That's how I feel. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah. That's what I think we're going to do. We're just going to spill over into we're just going to spill over eventually. When that will be, who knows? Who knows? But I'm just looking to see my fucking text messages. Hold on one second. How do I fix this shit? Just fucking looking at shit. Dude, don't get wrecked in the chop, man. Just fucking hang. Just hang. Have a good time. See, this is the type of days you want if you're selling options, because you just the volatility gets sucked out and you go nowhere and you win. Oh. So, just sit and wait, boys and girls. Don't get chopped. This is why I tell people that you should have a game or talk in the chat or have something else going on while you're trading, like on your desk or your computer or TV at your computer or a movie. it just gives you something to do instead of just staring at this, being like, I gotta get in, I gotta get in, I gotta get in. You know, you're better off just sitting around and waiting till the right setup happens. I'm just, dude, setting this ninja up. Yeah, Dillis. I mean, I'm just trying to, you know, help you out. Like, you don't want to just sit there being like, I need to do this. I need to do this. Like, that's where you're going to get hosed. You know, when you're sitting around saying, I got to do this. I got to get in. Like, this is the play. Like, and just staring at every little fucking thing, you'll get hammered. You will get hammered. I do think we roll over. It just looks that way. I hope when it rolls over, though, it drops like 50 points, you know, or more. I hope we get a real drop here. I don't think we have any news tomorrow, do we? Economic news tomorrow. You have consumer sentiment at 10. Next week, you got import price index on Tuesday, U.S. sales. You got the FOMC meeting next week. Dude, Wednesday is going to be a good one. Wednesday is going to be a good one. I'm thinking what else is going on. I don't even know. Oh, man. Just a slow day. You want to play numbers? Anybody want to play numbers, maybe? Maybe numbers game will change this shit around. Numbers. Numbers. You guys ready for numbers? I gotta find all right. Hold on. Number game, number game, number game. What up, Ray? The numbers game. This is like a EF roll. I don't know what that is. Marie, what is that? Oh, a death roll. I think it eventually rolls over. I think I've debated on whether to go in short and put my stop at like right here. I'd risk 17 points on the upside. You know how many LU she's up today, Ray? I might just take it. You ready? Numbers game. We're going to start it up. Ready? 1, 2, 3. I forget the number. Okay, I got the number. Oh, what do we got? Oh, shit. Somebody was right there. Oh, dude. Ray just got it. 56. Ray, welcome to the ball sack race. Welcome to the ball sack, Ray. Ray goes straight to the ball sack. Just trying to keep some people entertained. Dude, this is just a rough fucking day. I wonder why it's so slow today. Last time we had CPI, man, I thought we moved around. Yo, the FBI released a photo of the guy with Charlie Kirk. They're looking for him. Come on. Let's talk about tilt games. How to avoid tilt? Dude, you get a really small position and you just go in and then you put a big fucking stop and you just let it move around. Or you just do something else in the computer. Boom, 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 boom. Just don't look at it. Just don't look at it, Ray. Oh, man. All you gotta do is hold. Yo, what up, Pine? All you gotta do is hold. Now it fucking pops. Well, I always say that you should have an eval to just not burn, but play an eval. Bro, no stops. I'll be honest with you, Ray. trade other shit also. Like I'll move over to other shit. One trade a day. You could be one trade a day red. I was gonna say like stocks or options or just fucking do something else. Bro, the market just died. It just died. I mean, gotta get the evals going. Oh man, I put in some DraftKings lineups earlier. Yo, what up, TJ? So I put in some DraftKings lineups earlier. I just keep my mind going on other shit. Oh man. Billions and billions and this is why I don't trade Asia. Yeah. I mean, this is a straight up boredom. Dude, we haven't done anything. My computer won't turn the sound back on until I restart it. Hit the old restart button. Yo, the timed lockbox. Yo, I've seen that shit where people put things in and like you set the timer and whatnot. Wild. Wild. Dude, this is freaking crazy. You know what's nuts? The NQ is going nowhere today. Dude, I am up a massive amount today. Dude, that's crazy. Just doing the math. Dude, all-time highs? I don't fucking know. I'm waiting for a tweet or something from now until the end of the day to just demolish everything. You know how one of those works. They'll just throw out a fucking tweet or something, end the day, and all of a sudden they're boom, up or down. I know some people calling for a civil war. What the fuck? Bro, I imagine most of those people that are calling for one ray have never actually been in one or seen anything or even held a weapon. Dude, social media is crazy, dude. The old social media. Dude, I literally bought the wrong fucking. I can't believe I did this. I bought the wrong fucking. Dude, I just want to roll. They're not letting me roll. Why couldn't I roll that? Yo, what up, Charlie? What up, Tech? Dude. Well, I guess I got fucking stopped out here. Yo, just get a bomb. Dude, this is just crazy. I should have just bought long. See, this is when boredom hits. I should have just bought. I actually bought down here earlier. My stop out was literally under 24,000. Dude, I don't think there's enough juice to get us to new highs. How's that sound? There's not enough buying right now. You're going to need a whole slew of buying to get us all the way up there. I just don't see it. I just don't see us all of a sudden just going up there and being like, oh, cool, we're up. man, 30 points. Dude, this is crazy. Monet, I mean, I'm just. I made some good money in some funded accounts too today. Bulenox is up 323. I have an XFA up 400 and something bucks. Trying to play with this freaking. I need to make one trade in this account. Let's see what I should do. Should I do a gold trade? Bro, gold looks like it's gonna dump. Is gold gonna dump? Oh my God. Gold looks so bad. You got under the 200. You're basically bear flagging. Am I going to take the gold trade? Boom, boom, boom. Don't do it at this time. Why? What happens at this time? I got to make one trade, Josh. I got to oh, the market closes. I don't ever trade gold. So I actually don't even know. By the way, did you see Hims is coming out with TRT now? Hims has TRT now for as a product they're going to roll out for guys. Dude, it's going to be a massive revenue source. Oh, I don't listen. I'm not buying it. It's gonna be a massive revenue source for them. I don't. You think the stock is overhyped? No way, man. This thing's gonna go fucking. Dude, you're gonna see this thing up. It's gonna be close to $100. I'm not playing MOC. I'm looking for an actual trade, and it's just fucking slow. How far I can go with Hims? Dude. Yo, it just swept previous day high. Look, we're basically at the highs. Dude, look at their freaking revenue numbers. The hardest part about HIMS, I mean, they're growing at a crazy freaking percent. Like, look at their growth year over year. It's crazy. The hardest part about HIMS is getting clients. And then once they got them, they can sell them all different types of shit. It's not like a one-off type thing. Oh, I'm just watching. I don't think you're going to get a big dump tomorrow. I don't get what would be the reasoning behind it? Why would you get one? There's like no news tomorrow. Yeah, I mean, consumer sentiment, that's like 10 a.m. The only thing I'm going to free up, I might do it right now, is just I have a Google put, and I might just buy that back because it's a small amount of money. It's going to free up a lot of capital. I just bought it back now. That'll free up not a lot of it frees up capital though, just in case. Dude, they do this. It grinds at all-time highs for a fucking long time. I'm just looking. Dude, I mean, this is just garbage. Come on, man. Like, let's fucking do something. Let's do something. Anything. What's the YM doing? Maybe I'll get in on that. Bro, look at this. This is even worse. Look at that shit. After this whole morning of doing all of this and going and all these swings, this is what we're doing. Bro, how does anyone believe them? Oh, man. Dude, I need an account that's bigger than 50K for the sole purpose of, like, last night we were playing poker and I wanted to buy and just hold I was literally going to hold for yesterday's PPI, which we touched today. It was at 4. It was basically up here. this wick is what we were targeting. So we were talking about it yesterday. We were talking about it yesterday during poker. We were in this range right here. And I was like, man, like, I wish I could just buy like 1 or 2 minis and just hold it. But like, $150 end of day Topstep. Yo, who else has end of day? I guess My Funded Futures has one, and Tradeify has one. Who else has it? Dude, they're so fucking expensive. I don't think My Funded Futures has a daily loss limit. I guess Take Profit Trader has the drawdown. That would kill me. I don't want to deal with the drawdown. I'm thinking about taking this and just holding it. New highs or not. Actually, if we can... If we get below here, that's what I was looking for. Am I the only one that wants to take this short? I feel like I want to take this short. I feel like I'm the only one, though. Yo, what up, Adil? I mean, if you were just short, you just kind of got to stop out at high a day. Dude, I don't know. I just can't see us making new fucking highs. I'm not copy trading this. I'm not taking in multiple accounts. I'm just fucking hanging. No, yo, Steven, this isn't some great setup. This is just, I don't think that we're going to take new highs. I really do feel like they're going to sell this off, but they haven't really. So don't fucking, I would just sit it out. If I had to take one trade today, this would not be the trade. How's that sound? If you were like, yo, you got to take one trade today, this would not be the fucking trade. It's just so sloppy is the problem. Gotta risk it for the biscuit? Yo, I would eval trade this. The problem is the price action is just so choppy. Yesterday was solid. Like yesterday moved around. You know, even though it was a lot of down, you had a lot of movement. Like you had separation. There's no fucking separation here. Like you're just in a fucking area. You're just in an area. If we can come down a little bit more, I'll go to break even. Sloppy bottoms. It is definitely has sloppy bottoms today. Stretch my arms out. Stretch my back. Actually, I'm going to pull the plug on this, I think. I'm pulling the plug on it. They're going to pop it back up to 38-ish. Just watch. I didn't get the continuation I wanted. I bet you they pop it up to like 38-ish, and I think you get back in at a better price. They're going to hold the 50 here, and they're going to push it back up to 38 or 40. Just watch. Just watching. This is going to be my one trade. I had to trigger a trade for something. I wonder if I have to trigger it. I'm going to try this. We're going to see what happens at the end of the day. And then I'm going to possibly have to trade this larger. I'm wondering if I can take a payout in this account because I'm over the buffer and everything else. But it didn't ask me to take a payout yesterday because they were still owing me a payout. So I wanted to make one trade today to see if they now offer me to take a payout. And if they do, great. If they don't, then I'm going to have to trade it more heavy is kind of what I was thinking. I just kind of want to give it the benefit of, I want to see what happens if I made one trade. That's where I'm at. I want to see what happens if I made one trade. If they unleash the where I can take a payout. Let me just look at my fucking trader dashboard. Yeah, I'm not able to take a payout right now. I'm hoping the one trade triggers it. And we'll see what happens. So it says this. Dude, this market, man. This market is rough. Rough. Well, there it is. That's a big ass fucking red candle. Come on. I hope it dumps. Yo, Pine, I gotta get you playing other options, bro. We gotta talk one night. We gotta get into the options game. I got another 1,700 today in Robinhood. You'll like it. Better than playing calls. Better than playing SPX. I played that before. SPX. Come on and just fucking spill over. I just don't see a world that like, I don't know. I could be completely wrong with my bias. Oh, I just got breaking news. Holy shit. More Kirk news. They basically showed him pictures where the guy was. Dude, that shit's so crazy. So they're showing you where he was now. Yo, what up? Stoic? What's cracking, man? Yo, that's so crazy to me, though. What's crazy is the guy only shot once. My whole feed is that, by the way. I feel like everyone's is, though. Bro, yeah, man. But that guy shot like 3 or 4 times. Yo, whatever happened to that guy, too? Never heard anything about that guy again. Yo, does Donald have that guy locked in his basement in like a dog cage Like, where is that fucking guy? I never heard that guy's name. I never heard where he was. Never went to trial. Bro, what happened to that? I never heard anything about that guy. That kid was Marie. I know where. I like where you're leaning. You're watching. I didn't know that he was in a BlackRock commercial. He was killed, wasn't he? I don't know what happened to him. Dude, where was he killed? On the rooftop? I didn't know that. Yo, I didn't know that. That's crazy. If we could actually puncture this 200 to the downside, yeah. It's crazy how they didn't get him beforehand, but you know. Yo, Patty JC in the house. Thank you for subscribing. What's up? If you're new here, come say what's up on the chat. We want to hear from you. This price action is rough. This is some rough action. I don't even know what to make of it. Come on. Just roll over completely. Just completely roll. Boom, 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 boom. Come on, man. I'm kind of. It's crazy how many times we've tested this area. I mean, you would think we just broke. And that's kind of what it looks like, right? We broke down. and then now we should go lower. We should go under 24,000, but who the fuck knows? Just use the force. Whoa, Jack. What up, Ivan? Crick is in the house. Dude, it's freaking a rough one here. Boom, boom. Yo, first time here? What's up, man? Just fucking watching this dog shit action. I took a small shot that we don't, I took a small shot and we'll see what happens. I'm just kind of fucking hanging. I mean, the price action is, I mean, we're not going very far either way. I think if they let it go, though, it will get momentum to the downside. It almost feels as we're getting higher and higher. There's not that many buyers. It does feel kind of like, It feels like the buyers are definitely stepping back. As I think after tomorrow, I'm not going to sell as many puts on options. I think I'm going to start. I'm not going to go short or anything, but I'm going to start protecting my account. We're not. I'm not saying I'm leveraged. I'm just saying I don't want to be holding all this shit, because if we do drop like 3% in a day, I don't want to get fucked. You know, that's where I'm probably at with my options portfolio, to be honest with you. I'm just collecting the last little bit of premium here. Yo, what up, Red? What up? If I short one micro on a personal account, you think I'll be golden? I have no idea, Kevin. Honestly, I would not short one micro and hold it for months, because typically even the dips, if it dips for a couple weeks, it could definitely come back. I would say if we dip like 10%, you'd have a better chance of buying and holding to the upside. I would not be holding a short futures position over long term. Yeah, that is, dude, not a good idea. But I think I'm going to collect this last little bit of premium this week. Let some of this shit roll off. Monday, really see where we're at, what I want to do. But I think I'm going to slow up a little bit. My gal is buying micros every time it is touching what EMA? The 100 EMA? 100 EMA is what she's doing. I'll bring it up on the screen. You put dollar, so I don't know if you meant the golden shower EMA is 58. I have not used that one. I got the oh, every time it hits the 50, Ali. Every time it hits the 50, she buys. Well, I mean, this blue line is the 50, so the 58 is somewhere close to it. You got that R. Kelly freaking EMA. I mean, this is the 50. She just holds. How many micros does she hold? Because you would, in some spots, you'd be taking on some freaking drawdown. Like you went right through. I guess she has a stop, right? A stop in place, I would assume. I would assume there's some type of stop somewhere in stop land. Just 3 micros with stops. Oh. This thing is just fucking bobbing around. Oh, come on, man. This fucking market sucks. Come on. Come on, man. I don't know. For people who've been in the room, I mean, this isn't some crazy setup that I'm looking at. I mean, we targeted PPI highs. We got that. That was the big play of the day. Other than that, this is fucking shit. I think eventually we are going to dump, and this is going to be the target right here. 838 is a target that I'm looking for. We might, if we dump tomorrow, that's where I'll be looking to short to. Is right here is 839, 838. That could be, up, consolidate, and then kind of come down. I think that's, once we start getting momentum to the downside, I mean, that's where I'm looking at. I'm going to try passing this one tomorrow. I'm still waiting for them to give me this. Actually, let's see if they gave me it yet. It should be a funded account. Oh, shit. I got it. I'm funded. I am funded with them. Do I just rip a trade to rip a trade? Do I just rip one? Yo, what does funded ticks call it? Is it called funded? I guess it's called funded, right? Get the trade day out of the way. I don't know what the deal is with them. I don't know what the rules are, Ray. I don't know the rules. Market don't go sideways because I need cash now. I mean, all seriousness, like when I used to trade by myself, I probably would have left by now, knowing that this is what I'm looking at. This is crazy. This is cray cray. It's not trade day. It's funding ticks. I don't know what funding ticks. Dude, do I have a trade day account? Hold on 1 second. Wait, funding ticks has no consistency rule? No way. Oh, dude, I forgot to tell you guys. I did pass a trade day account today. This is the trade day account I passed. But I broke the consistency rule. The most you could make is $900, and I did 904 to pass. So I think I'm going to need extra dollars tomorrow, right? I'm going to need extra money. Oh man, $8. Yo, guys, how hard could it be to get $8? How hard is it going to be for me to get $8? It's fucking $8. It's going to be simple. Dude, I'm just going to get out of this fucking thing, to be honest with you. I'm out of this. I'll take the $179 loss today. I'm not sitting in this. I'm going to play one micro, Monet. Dude, imagine I blow the account over $8. I'll just keep DCAing micros until I get up $8. How hard could it be? It's $8. Yo. What do you think? They just fucking blow this into a close and just fucking up? That's crazy. Dude, can I just send them $11? There's definitely a good chance of me blowing it. 2 ticks on 4 micros. Yo, how much if I just go all in with 10 minis? 1 tick, 10 minis? Is that all I need? Dude, that's all I need. Dude, they're just going to take this all the way up. Look at this shit. All the way up. Nothing could stop us. We're all the way up. Yeah. Look at this thing. Just chop, 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 chop. All-time highs are 68. Do we break 68? Dude, if we can get over this, it will probably go to 68. Who buys up here? I have no fucking idea who buys up here. Your guess is as good as mine, dude. Who the fuck is buying up here? But you can see they're holding it. You have a 1 hour inside bar, another 1 hour. You know, they drop it and they buy it back up. They drop it, they buy it back up. You're kind of flagging. And now, oh shit. Dude, look at that shit. They just flashed it all the way down. Yo, people just got taken out of their longs. Dude, that just took people out of their longs. Somebody just got stopped out. Straight cooked. Straight up cooked. Now it's time to short. Yo, dead serious. Unless it goes under this 200 moving average, I would not short this. First trade, new account, new phone. Who this? I don't know if I would short this as long as it stays above the 200, dude. We bounced too many fucking times. Too many fucking times we bounced. Yo, what's the YM doing? YM is making new highs. Bro, ES is making new highs. NQ is not. Yeah, I don't know, man. I think they're all pushing it higher. As much as I want it to short, believe me, I really want to short this shit. It's just not going anywhere. You're literally the same spot you were at 140. Pretty much. Pretty much. Just trending up. Bro, I just want my payout. My payout. I want my payout. Give me my payout. Very tight. It is super tight. The roast is back. So my funded futures said that I could take a payout manually, or I can wait and see if it updates tonight. So I said, I'll just wait till tonight, see if it updates, and then I can take a payout. But yeah, I mean, I also have, now I got this account. I'm building a massive buffer. Buffer is almost $6,500. I gotta see if I could take a payout tonight here also. If I can't take a payout here tonight, I gotta start trading this account then. That's how I look at that. I gotta take a payout. Either they gotta give me a payout today, or I will say, man, customer support is not great at any of these prop firms. Just an FYI. I'm never like, oh man, customer support's awesome at so-and-so. Fucking customer support sucks. It's like, bro, fucking pay me. Just fucking pay me. It just sucks. It sucks because you finally get to a payout and you're like, yo, send me the money. And now all of a sudden they're not like, it's not tracking my amount of days I've traded in the calendar. So it's like, it's as if I traded one day, and I'm like, bro, I traded 5 days. Like, I want to take a payout. Actually, I could take the max payout, which is $800 for a core account. And they're saying, it updated in the calendar now. It was all my money was made in one day, and now it was they updated that, which is good news, but where the fuck is the rest of it? Oh, they updated my trades. Yo, I might be able to. Maybe they're doing it right now. Dude, I want my money and I want it now. You ain't kidding me, man. I fucking worked hard for it. I traded my ass off to get over the buffer, get the fucking max payout, $800. Like, I want to get paid now. Time to pay up. I'm not asking for anything that nobody, they know I did it. It's some glitch on the back end. It's some type of glitch on the back door. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. What the fuck is this? No, I'm not even reading that shit. Yo, what's crazy is I wouldn't have gotten stopped out. Oh, I wouldn't have gotten stopped out. My stop was at like 43. I've learned my lesson. I've learned my lesson today. Nah, they didn't deny my payout. There's a glitch. There's a glitch on the back end that's not showing how many days I've traded for. So I traded for 5 days. I made over $100 for 5 days. The account is over $51,000 and I can withdraw $800. But there's like a glitch on their calendar. So it only shows that I traded 1 day, which is not true. And they're trying to fix it, I guess. So I'm just waiting, but I could take a payout. I'm over, and I'm not trading the account until I get the payout. I'm not losing. I'm not just trading big. Oh, they'll fix it, like, and then I end up losing money, and then I can't get a payout. Like, I'm not playing that game. Like, I'm getting my money. I'm not fucking doing. I'm not saying, oh, I'll just trade it while I wait for you. No. Send me the money and then I'll trade the account. I locked in $800 of a payout. I'm out. Give me my money. Yeah, I'm not fucking myself out of a payout, TJ. No way. So we haven't gone under the 200, right? You want to see us go under the 200? I'll show you how we go under the 200, right? I'll buy and we'll go into the 200. They do want you to trade it 1,000%, TJ. We haven't been under the 200 this whole time, really. So let's see what happens. Do they bounce it? No, it's going to be fucked up, Sean. It hasn't gone below the 200 all day except for when I buy it. There we go. I just took a quick scalp. Bro, this price action is rough. I don't understand why it's so choppy today. I mean, for a day that had CPI, you would think today would be moving all over the place. It's like the complete opposite. Like we get CPI news and it doesn't go anywhere. So weird. Dude, I didn't even realize Kodak was still a fucking... Kodak is still a stock? Anybody remember Kodak? Or am I showing my age? Remember Kodak? Kodak has gone almost nowhere. Just like Fuji. Bro. Yeah, the film company with the cameras, dude. They still have some type of operations going on. They still have, dude, they got 3,900 employees. Oh, dude, they still do over $1 billion in revenue. They're struggling though. Bro, they should have just bought Bitcoin. You know what they should have done was just become a Bitcoin company. Just buy Bitcoin. and just leverage it and buy more Bitcoin all the way up. Company would be worth fucking billions and billions. I mean, that's what a couple of these companies did. They just bought Bitcoin and kept buying Bitcoin, and that's all they are. Like that's what is it? MSTR is. It's Michael Sayer's company. All he does is buy Bitcoin. I don't know if they stake it to make a percentage. Yo, Matthew Hoffman, Cove. I saw an older TPT video that said if you closed your funded account and it was over the buffer, you get half. Matthew, you get half of it. Why are you closing? Are you going to close a funded account? Yeah, that's MSTR is MicroStrategy. Yeah, they just keep borrowing against their Bitcoin to buy more Bitcoin. What could possibly go wrong? We're buying Bitcoin and we're using Bitcoin as collateral. If the price of Bitcoin goes down like 40%, I don't know. That's a risky fucking gamble. I think now there's so many holders that they can't, like, it's not going to go down at this point. But you know, holy shit. Oh, that was MOC. That was MOC. Boom, boom, boom. I mean, I just don't understand what they're using Bitcoin for. Like, what are you using the Bitcoin for? Is this going to run? I'll take a shot. This is a purely, we're going to all-time highs. This is, are they pushing us to all-time highs? That's all I'm doing is taking a shot that we hit all-time highs right here and today. That's it. It's a small shot. I'm not risking a lot. This is the only account I'm doing it in, and that's it. Basically, I'll add to the position too. I'm curious if they just fucking rip it. Like just an absolute rippage to the upside. Oh man. They just posted the Charlie Kirk thing on his freaking Twitter. Dude, we are literally 30 points away from all-time highs. How do you not have the draw to hit that? How do we not hit that? Or are we going to hit that tomorrow? It just seems like that it like is a must hit. We're too fucking close not to. The hourly chart is so tight right now. The hourly chart is so tight. How do we not take that? Oh yeah, people are gonna be talking about it for a while, man. What up, Chuck? Chuck, what's cracking, man? Chuck, I'll let you stop by my house and sell me a book if you get this to all-time highs right now. Come on, man. 30 more points. Yo, nice and tight, Wojak. Dude, I don't know when they're going to do it, but they got to let this just fucking rip. Dude, this will be a sin if they don't let this rip to the all-time highs. I sense an algo candle coming in hot. Dude, I just got stopped, I think. No. Dude, they're going to hit this tonight or something. I'm going to be so annoyed when it hits. I guess just buying the 200 and then selling the pop is literally the play all day. Just buying the 200, selling the pop. Buying the 200, sell it up here, pop. Buy it and sell it. Buy and sell it all day. Come on, baby. Come on. Get the fuck up there, baby. Yo, imagine Trump tweets rate cuts coming right now and just fucking rips it. Oh my God. I'm going fucking crazy. Come on. Let's do it. Bro, I got hopium over here, Ray. I got hopium. You don't got hopium? Bro. Are we not going to fucking rip this thing? Let's go, market. At least get me in the green, right? Do me a solid. Do me a solid. Come on. One minute left. Yo, fucking rocket this. I need a big rocket. I should just exit, right? Smart thing is to exit, probably. Smart thing is to exit at even, probably, right? What do you guys think? Be smart? I should be smart, right? Fuck. I wasn't smart. Bro, I should have just fucking exited. Holy shit bags. Bro, that really just fucking happened. I waited this whole time to get that move. It happened with 10 seconds left of the day. That's insane. That's fucking insane. Sean, you called it, dude. I waited for it over and over and over again. Dude, I don't know if it's going to keep going. That might have just been like the orders closing at the end of the day. Plus, you got the imbalance right here. I'm curious if they backfill it. That's all I'm looking for is a backfill. I'm risking 10 points to make 15 to 20. Nice play, Sean. Dude. Crazy part is I could have got out fucking even right before it closed, which is what I should have done. Come on. We're not going to pop to at least 15. Give me 15. Dude, because you did what I did. You kept trying to short it probably through the day. Just fucking. It feels like we can get at least to 16 is my problem here. Dude, I'm just out. I'm out. It's not bouncing. It's not doing what I want. I just cut my losses. Come back tomorrow. All day, bro. All day around this area. I should just put my stop at high a day and said, fuck it. That would have been the move. Just stop out at high a day. Look at it now. Look at this shit. It's bouncing. Oh, fuck me, man. It's just so crazy. It's crazy how you can have a CPI day and go fucking nowhere. Like, we had a CPI day. It was great in the morning. And then all of a sudden just freaking stopped. It literally stopped. And then went nowhere. It is what it is. It is what it is. Oh, motherfucker, dude. Oh, Joseph. That's $600. What up, Keith? That's $600 I just didn't get. That sums up my day. That sums up my day right there, dude. Adobe, yeah, Adobe's up. If Adobe's up, you got to think some of these other companies are up too. I'm just going through some of these other things and seeing who anybody else that's up that I got. Oh man, that's fucking crazy, dude. It was right there for the taking. It was right there for the taking. Just a shitty day, shitty price action. Oh man. Unfucking believable, dude. All I had to do was hold. You know what? I just didn't want to take like a fucking $600 wall loss. I don't like trading after hours. Yo, Dreamer Unity. What up? Dude, that's crazy. I want to see something real fast. This is going to be interesting, actually. Let me see this shit. Data. Interesting. Steven, it happens, man. It just happens sometimes. Sometimes things work out really good. Sometimes they don't. Today was just shit price action. And it just is what it is. You know? Oh, man. Just hold. That's it. Just have to hold. Yeah, dude. Joseph, I wouldn't be playing this. You're thinking about getting back in? Dude, you're crazy. Yo, that's what it feels like, Knob. That's exactly what it feels like. I wouldn't play this stuff, Joseph. Just wait till tomorrow, man. If you missed out, you missed out. I would wait until tomorrow. I don't trade, like personally, I would stop trading now, and I probably wouldn't even trade. I would maybe trade 6 o'clock to like 6:05, and then after that, I wouldn't place another trade until until actually like 10 o'clock at night, maybe. Or if you play London, otherwise I would just wait to New York. Like if you're playing anytime between now and like 8 o'clock at night Eastern, like you're just asking to lose money. You're basically just playing with algos. Uh there's no real moves that are like, oh my god. No one's like, yo, did you see that move that happened at 6:30 last night? Like, no one's talking about that. I never get a text message that's like, yo, did you see that move at 7:15? No, because it's just algorithms. You know, everything waits now until Asia, typically past 10 o'clock, I should say, 9, 10 o'clock at night, or during London. You know, I wouldn't place another trade until at least 8 o'clock. That's the earliest I would go back to even trading right now, is 8 o'clock at night. Basically, after hours will be done, and then Asia picks up. It's 8 in the morning in China. It's not even really open for them, but I would probably not trade until 10 o'clock at night. Start getting some volume in, but you're just asking to lose money by trading anytime between now and 8 o'clock. Yo, later, Joseph. Tighten up. So I'm just, yeah, I was just being honest. I just wouldn't do it. So I waited all fucking day for that move. I wouldn't have got stopped out. Man, that would have been fucking tight though. I still think the yo, imagine we invert this. I would probably, if we invert this and we close under 4,000, I would play that overnight to hold. Would it stop at the high of this candle? If this candle closes like down here, I would probably short that and stop at 24.23. You basically have a sweep of this high and then an inversion to the downside on the hourly. Kind of have a flag break down. I might fucking play that. I might play that. I'm just deciding on what I want to do and how I want to do it. I would assume we hold here and go see all-time highs, only because we're so close, but it is interesting. Maybe they drop at 60, 70 points. Let's see what the 4-hour looks like. That would give you an inversion on the fucking hourly and the damn. RH is down after earnings. Big time. People aren't spending money. All right, this is what I'm going to do, by the way. This is what I'm going to do. So I took all the names that submitted for the duck race. I'm going to break it up in two groups, and then so you might see multiple names. I just grabbed all the submissions every time you submitted. So if you submitted multiple times, you got multiple submissions. We'll run 2 duck races, and then we'll do the final one. I'm going to mix it up today. We'll do a core account. Also, if you're new here, hit the old subscribe button. Also, if you're not getting notified, I found out people are saying they're not getting notified. You got to hit that bell button on the bottom, that yellow bell, and that will let you know when I go live. I don't know if we're playing poker tonight. Probably not, because we played poker last night. I'm not going to be around tonight, so I actually don't know. Let's just roll this. Boom, boom. Oh, baby. Look at all these ducks. I'm going to turn them off. You're the only one I have on whole of YouTube, but this duck situation is killing me. What's wrong with the duck? How should I give away the account then? Everybody likes the ducks. We voted on it. How should I give away an account? What should be the method of giving an account away? I can't just pick somebody because it wouldn't be random if I pick somebody. No, well, people, dude, I've gotten emails about this, dude. You don't even know. Emails about people complaining about the ducks. I get emails about everything, actually. Is Ali even here? Bro, you got to see what I get emails about. Bro, I get duck hate mail. I get duck hate mail, not every day, but I've gotten duck hate mail before. Probably like 3 different times I've gotten duck hate mail. Some dude would like email me and be like, yo, man, why the fuck you running ducks? There's a trading channel. Why you running ducks? I get that. Somebody was definitely mad about the casting couch I had behind me. I haven't gotten any, nobody's been mad about the ball sack race. Ball sacks, they're fine with. Ducks, that's where they draw the line. They're like, ducks, no ducks. Ball sacks all day. Yeah, ball sacks all day. Dude, don't knock the couch till you tried it. Yo, Josh, having duck meat every night till I win. Yo, is Cash even? Oh, Cash is here? All right, hold on 1 second. I gotta figure out who won the, oh. Yeah, man, it's just been fucking crazy. I had such a banger day, though, in options land. Such a banger day. We're switching it up, people. We're switching it up. We are going to run. Bro, I don't even know what some of this is. Dude, I'm just looking at some of this shit. Yo, I don't even know what to say to some of this shit. The races are so fucking ridiculous. I know what we're doing. Let's see. Vote to see who you think is going to win. Who do you think is going to win here? Let's go. Yo, Rushan, Ali. Yo, this is the best. You don't know how much time is left. Yo, you don't even know how much time is left. Yo, this is interesting. This is better than normal. Yo, how much time is left? Yo. Yo. It's crazy. Bro. Dude, how funny is that shit? How fucking funny is that shit? Oh, man. Dude, that's right. Ali back. Yo, I think this is the first time that's ever happened. Back to back. Dude, I'm like looking. I was just like looking at the chart, my other screen. Like, there's not one part of me that was like, this was a great fucking trade today. Like even this, like we didn't take out lows, so that wasn't like a great trade. I wasn't like, oh man, this is going to be a great trade. Like the only thing I would say is, I guess you were targeting yesterday's high, but there was not one point where this would be it. This would probably be it, where we swept all the way down, and then you take the inversion to the upside. Like that's news would have been the best play. I mean, I don't see where there was like, yo, this was a great fucking play today. There just wasn't one point that I was like, wow. I would say the only thing I would say is you take a shot at this inversion, which is like not even an A setup. Yo, Sean, to fuck. I mean, you could hit it on a news event, Matthew. If you hit it on a news event, it will pop. If you just kind of wait, you know what I'm saying? Just wait it out until like a CPI or something, and then kind of just pop it that way. That's what you could do. Wait till CPI, non-farm payroll. I don't know when it rebuilds. Oh, Maximilian Hoffman and Matthew Hoffman. Oh yeah, football picks are in. Make your football picks. Um, yeah, I'm fucking crazy. But yeah, not one part of me was like, yo, this was a great fucking trade today. News would have been it, but I wasn't really going to be buying this at fucking 9:20, not at 8:35 in the morning. But you could see we took out the lows. We took out the lows on this wick, which in theory, this would have been the setup, but I don't know. You would have targeted probably up here, here, and here. I don't know. That's fucking rough. That's rough. All right, I'm jumping off. I got shit. I got to pick up my kids and shit. Um, I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'm going to go play some baseball tonight, so I won't be in the Discord tonight. Or maybe I will. I don't know. But I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hopefully action is better. And that's it. Hopefully I get my payouts too. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.